can open them.
Wow, you got a whole dozen there?
Yeah. Okay. Hatchimals. I laid out Hatchimals. Okay.
Where did we get those, Dallas?
Marshall.
Yes, so check out that video. Our trip to Marshall's.
In the link in the description.
Yes.
No.
Can I open?
No. You'll open these. You can open these. The
Thank
blue
you
ones.
so much.
You're welcome. No, you didn't get give me.
So I got a, this one looks like it's navy blue specks. This one's like a lighter blue specks, and this one's even lighter blue specks. So I'm gonna do the darker blue first.
I'm gonna open this one. Can you guys see? This one.
And what?
It's pink. My favorite color.
Ooh, I already got it halfway open.
You have to rub it before.
I did. I guess I got hot hands.
What did you get? What did you get? Oh my gosh! It's so it looks translucent. It looks like galaxy.
Since we got this on clearance, I don't know if we got the
Can you see it?
the little sheet that comes along. We gotta go check out what we got. Or maybe you guys could tell us in the comments which ones we got.
What sheet?
The collector's sheet.
Oh, I thought you said sheet from like.
I'm almost done with this one.
Come on. Do I have to lay you again?
Oh, how cute. It's like a little seahorse.
Oh, come on. I haven't got any open. How do you do this? Oh, there we go. I just punched my nail in it. It wasn't working. It wasn't changing. Oh. Sorry, I yes.
Got this one halfway open.
Got it. And put the trash over here.
I'm on a roll.
I got a fuzzy one.
Show the camera.
I got a fuzzy one. Oh, it's so fuzzy. It's
How
fuzzy.
cute. Oh, it feels so nice. It has blue wings.
What does that mean?
It's really cute, Mama.
I'm gonna open this red looking one.
And then I got this one. It's a beaver. Look at the tail, how cute. And it has pink wings.
Let's start rubbing.
Can I have more, please?
No. I'll give you. These are the last ones, okay?
Thank you. I'm just better than you.
You
In opening.
Oh, I opened 6 and you opened 6. Okay,
All right. I'm getting there.
No, seriously, it is. Like if you rub it, it's easier.
This one's like sparkly.
Can I see? Don't throw out the bottoms of the
How
eggs.
cute.
We got like limited
It's
edition.
a whale.
It's like we got limited
It's
edition.
it's like a pearl. So cute.
Oh, I got a little frog, a fat frog. Got a fat frog.
He looks huge. Okay. You put him too close to the camera. Oh, he's cute. With little pink wings.
I'm gonna break them this part.
Ooh, look how big it is. No.
I'm taking off them.
Okay, I got an orange one. Orange, yellow one, or whatever.
Or whatever.
And that is.
See, I like these little thingies. I saved these. So, these little the bottoms of the eggs. You can't break them, so I'm like, why don't I save them?
What is this? Is this a kitty?
Oh my god.
I think it's a kitty.
Oh god.
Oh no, it's not a kitty. It has a shell. Look at the shell. There's a shell with wings. Aww.
Okay, I'm gonna open
Some sort of...
my next one. This one. This purple one.
I'm trying to think of what animal this is. I forget. But it doesn't have the face that I thought.
This one. The purple one.
Alright, I have a blue speck. This one's blue.
Let me see. Oh, blue.
Egg. Oh, and it is
How
blue
do you
inside.
how do you make them pink?
I don't. I just push on it and it opens easily.
That's the ones that like our friends got.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's like that. I think we got the same one. Or one that's very
What is
similar.
that? Is it a bug?
Yeah, it's a bug. It's a cute little bug.
And it has silver wings.
I got a monkey.
Really cute.
I got a little monkey.
Oh, that's really cute too. I like this color combo.
This was a purple egg. I'll open the rest. Want some help? No.
Go ahead, Mom.
No. I hardly opened any.
Okay, she got 2. She gave me 2 more because
Nope.
she's too slow.
No. I gave her 1.
Alright, I'm just having too much of a good time opening these. Oh, I got a moose. I saw somebody have this one too. I got a moose.
Moose.
And he has, is that pink wings? Can't tell. It's like pinky purple, pink wings. He's cute.
You got a rare. You got a rare.
So pink wings are rare.
Yeah, and purple wings are ultimate.
So I got two rare so far.
And
Oh wait, no, 3 rare.
Purple wings are ultra rare. Oh,
1 ultra rare, which was this guy.
I got a common.
And then the silver is common, right?
Yeah.
I get 1, 2, 3, 4 common.
I got a little common.
Oh wait, another ultra rare is this guy.
Oh, who is this one? Oh, I think these are limited edition.
The blue?
Yeah.
The blue wings.
Because I never seen blue wings before. Yeah, I saw someone have limited edition, so I'm like.
So what did you get?
This little foxy one.
Aww.
Foxlets.
She's cute.
We'll show you all of us. Looks like the end. Bam. Bam, boy. What is this? It looks cute. Whatever it is. Come on. I got a moose.
You got another moose?
I got is it a moose?
Is it like this one? So we got brother and sister, or we got a set.
Got a set of
Okay, one's common and one's, what's the pink wings again? I forgot.
rare.
Rare. Okay.
Rare and common.
All right, let's set this up so we can look at them.
So these are all the hexamals we unboxed. Well, on egg. Not a box, it's an egg. I love this fuzzy one. I'm gonna keep it. This is one of our first ones, right? I like this one.
Looks like a fox.
Yeah. A galaxy fox. Now if you like this video, give a like and subscribe. Bye. But